In this video, we are going to be looking at the Valley 7-foot by 18-foot, 12,000 pound Gooseneck livestock trailer, model number 76818. Its GVWR is 12,000 pounds. The empty weight is 3,350 pounds, giving this trailer a maximum payload capacity of 8,650 pounds. The interior measures 18 feet long by 77 inches wide, and it is 7 feet high. The total length of the trailer, including the tongue, is 25.5 feet, and the width from fender to fender measures in at 101 inches. This Valley 76818 includes a gooseneck coupler, an interior LED work light, a spare wheel and tire, and extra storage space above the gooseneck. It comes with two 6,000-pound torsion axles, an escape door on the side, a full swing rear gate with walkthrough, and a center divider that easily slams shut. Other popular options for this trailer are an aluminum wheel upgrade. To reserve this trailer, view all of our live inventory, or apply for financing, visit our website at www.breckvilletrailers.com, or to speak with the trailer specialist, pick up the phone and give us a call at 717-262-6383. Whether you are coming from Philadelphia, Pittsburgh, Harrisburg, Carlisle, Hershey, York, or Lancaster, PA, or maybe Cumberland, Maryland, Baltimore, Maryland, DC, Richmond, Virginia, or Martinsburg, West Virginia, we are within a short 2-hour drive away. We are 3 miles west off Interstate 81 in Chambersburg, Pennsylvania, right off exit number 16. As always, we look forward to providing you with a seamless trailer experience.